So guys, you want to go to Google and then type in Visual C++ Studio Code. Go to the website by Visual Studio Code, this one right here. Now in the top right, you want to click on download. Choose your operating system. For me, I'm on Windows 11. I'm going to choose this right here. It's now going to start downloading the installer. Just wait for this to load. Once it's been downloaded, you want to click on it. And now once this comes up, you want to tick the box, I accept, and then click on next. And then click on next again. And then click on next again. You can create a desktop icon if you want to. And you can read these things here, and you can tick them if it applies to you, if you want to do that. And then click on next. And then click on install. It's now going to start installing, just wait for this. Once it's been installed, click on finish. It should now launch Visual Studio Code automatically. If not, you can just open it up and you'll now be on it. That's how you do it.